Still working on clearing my table off. Some odd and end parts to finish gluing, painting, and then I can assemble. Here's the one track cover that was faded. It's got a nice jet black look to it. Now this one will get the same, but first I need to fix that. So I'll use some super glue and baking soda to activate it so it'll hold. First I'll take, before I even do that, scuff up the back on both sides, and after the super glue is held, I'll use some of this as a bridge across the back of it. Hopefully that will hold. Once I get all that together, I'll have my table clear where I can share the tips on coming up with these patterns. And I have the headliner and carpet finished out here in the vehicle, and some ideas for the back seat. Keep in mind this will be separated with the console in between, which I mentioned. I think I want to do solid purple console, and then where this design comes down on the back seat, go solid purple in the center up into the back deck, and then same on the bottom across. That way when we go into the console up front, it should flow together quite nice, and then flow into the top deck, and then there's all that purple he was wanting. Alright, these parts are painted. Took it all apart. Still gonna paint the lock key with some flat black and a little model brush. I'm gonna glue the carpet to the kick panels. Take the old one off first. And one of his dash vents is broke. There's a little stud like that, plastic. It's broke on that side. Let's see if I can drill that out and put a little piece of metal or something. And pick the old piece of plastic out of there and fix it. We'll see about that. It's a little tedious. I've got to clean these parts that cover the tracks. Get those nice and jet black. So that'll be more black at the bottom of the seat when this gets assembled. So that'll bring some more of the black out. And this white is carbon fiber. I haven't showed it close enough. So you can't notice from here back on the camera, but I'm standing way about this far away from him. I can tell in person. So it does stand out. It gives him a little different look. Headrest are at least going to go back black. I'm hoping to add some purple in there somehow. And black stitching to match here. Let's go to the car. Some more parts finished. Suede headliner, and front seat belts are finished, and those pillar posts. Oh. Excuse me. All the plastic painted. I even took the plastic polish to the clear plastic. There's the floor mats. And all the carpets trimmed and fitted best it will fit. Still going to add some padding on that side before I put the trim on. Try to fill it in nice on the edge. And as you can tell, the console looks odd going straight to gray. So definitely want that purple, the majority of it purple at least. First thought was to leave this gray, but I'm recovering it. So to recover it gray doesn't really make sense. So I'll go ahead and do that purple up to there, and we'll see about the lid. Get some idea for it. Hopefully we can bring that pattern down. That purple. It's gonna be fun. It's a lot of stitching I have to go across with that seam. Make that line up. I'll see about it. Something will come to me. Maybe more like who knows? Come up with something nice for it. I'm gonna pull this out next and set it in front of me in my room and just stare at it for as long as it takes and keep drawing on it. I'll get some paper and pens out and some pencils and start drawing some stuff up too. Then I have all this trim finished and it can go back in. I'm gonna do it next. And just wanted to catch this clip before some more parts were together. Peace, guys. Catch you on the next one.